What's up, guys? In today's video, we are playing Roblox, Minecraft, a lot of things. Okay, it's not actually called that. It's actually called Skywards in Roblox. Basically, you see this little thing? That's how I'm recording. That's all my recording thing. By seeing my face. Oh yeah, shout out to Screencast. It's the only free one, and it's the easiest to use. Because all my other screen recorders, I'll take a lot of time. I usually don't go for the kill. I actually block, so I can actually sense. God, this. I don't want to do anything stupid. See ya until the next match. Wait, where's my pause button? I don't see my pause button. Wait. What's up, guys? And wait, what? Oh, I was just watching YouTube. Anyways, this is okay. Let's not do anything stupid this time. Let's build. Let's literally build. I don't want to do anything stupid. Oh, because I cannot play Minecraft for you in my Switch. This is your surprise. I'm just doing this so I don't fall off. That's called smart, okay? Because I never felt that in my life. Okay? Wait, is it? Wait. Is it? Can go over pick. Oh, you think you're so good, eh? Hey, oh, get cover. Hey, fire, oh god, get cover. I don't want to end it like this. Oh. It's called smart. Hey. Headshot. Oh, you think you're gonna do that, eh? You ain't. Oh, no. No! I died again. Come on. Another death? I suck. I suck so badly that I can't even get one kill. Oh, I suck so badly. I need to wait know what you meant. Oh my god, it's almost there. Come on, please, I beg. Let's keep playing. Why? Just really? You didn't make fun of me of that. Just put more, like 15 or 20 more seconds I just want to play your game. Is it that hard? Is that really that hard? It's sure going, wait, what? Anyways, we're not gonna be a noob and jump out of the thing twice and actually get killed. Getting killed. Anyways, and yeah, I'm doing double layer. I'm trying to be smart for my life. I don't want to push myself that hard, but I just want a little bit of safety. That's what I want most, safety. This is how much safety in me I need. This is just dirt. This is not anything good. It's just literally just... This guy's making a better fort, but I can make a better one. Does that even make any sense? Question of the day. Does that make sense? This thing is so cringy. Come out! Well, if you're not coming out, I'll make you. And if you didn't just watch that, this thing saved my flipping life in this game, so I don't look like a noob. Yeah, I'm a noob. Oh my god. Get in there. Come on. Look at that. Oh. You think you're so funny, eh? Come on. I got finishing. Ah, come on, man. Oh, I don't have any more blocks. I don't have any more blocks, right? 0 blocks? I have a good idea. I'll pick. Yes, blocks. I get blocks. Get some blocks. Yes, I got 6. Yes! I'm so proud of myself doing something. I'm so cringy. Anyways. Who's the winner? Am I the one? Wait, what? Where's everybody? Wait, did I win? Oh, well, 3 players left. Anyways. One of 3 players. Oh. I see one. Take my bow and arrows! Okay, I need to get more stuff. I'm gonna start digging right here. Oh, diamonds. I need them. I need diamonds. Well, anyways, let's start building. We can do a headshot. He's gonna do a headshot. Ah! Oh, but no, he's a legend. He's absolutely a legend. He's... What? How does he do this? How does he? Oh! Legend. 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 Okay. 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 That was good. That was good. Okay, one more round until we end up this video. I will get better and try to be not a noob. And yeah. That's basically normal. Not all for today. I'm gonna make more because I'm bored to death. Let's do this. Anyways, this is taking forever. What? I need blocks. I need blocks. Oh my god. Why? Why? Oh, you think he's so funny, eh? Hey, buddy! Hey, buddy! You like it? Someone folding you? I suck so badly. Anyways, if you like that video, please subscribe. And if you think I could do better, hit that like button, and I will see you guys later. Goodbye.